Greetings from Mumbai, India. I am Udayan Bhatt, Prasad Chikitsa Trustee. I hope you and your family are well in this challenging time. India is currently in the grips of a deadly second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. The country's health system is struggling to keep up with the ever-increasing need for hospital beds and life-saving supplies and equipment. Here is an update on our relief efforts. Prasad Chikitsa works in a remote rural area in the Tansa Valley, about 50 miles north of Mumbai. Fortunately, this second wave has not impacted these rural areas as severely. Nevertheless, the tribal population we serve has very limited resources. The current pandemic lockdown has already accelerated widespread food insecurity, especially among the homeless and daily wage earners. Since last week, we are providing 200 cooked meals daily to homeless people in the villages of Vajreshwari and Akloli Kund. Prasad Chikitsa is also distributing N95 face masks and hand sanitizers to police personnel, shop vendors, and auto rickshaw drivers in the area. The Anukampa Health Center in Ganeshpuri remains open 6 days a week so that patients can continue to receive treatment for non-COVID related ailments. We have also created a dedicated hotline on which the locals can call if they need any assistance in relation to COVID or otherwise. Our agriculture and community development teams are in regular touch with the local community, continuously assessing needs in the area to determine how we can best help. The second wave of the pandemic has affected urban areas the most. Hence, Prasad Chikitsa is partnering with Americares and other local organizations in cities such as Delhi to support COVID healthcare facilities by providing life-saving equipment like oxygen machines and personal protective equipment. Working together, we can have more impact and save more lives. Please support our relief efforts. Donate today. Thank you.